Hello, my name is Carrington Griffin. I'm 14 years old and I'm from Pleasantville, New Jersey. And I will be attending Atlantic County Institution of Technology, focusing on health sciences program. Well, I am part of the Atlantic City Girl Scout Troop 19034, and I mostly wanted to join because of the experience and the friendships that you make in the troop are amazing, and it would also look good for your resume and other schools and colleges you want to join in the future. The fun activities we do as a troop, the bonds that we make are bonds that normally friends wouldn't make. So it's a great experience to have a kind of bond with your Girl Scout troop and troop leaders. So today we are working on our Silver Award project, and we are building awareness benches. And the awareness that I chose was mental health awareness because I have relatives that suffer from mental health awareness, and I want to bring people awareness that it is real and that you are not alone in it, and to learn more about it mostly. I just want to bring awareness to how different people show different signs of mental health. And mental health is not just mental health, it's also physical health too. So I just want to bring awareness to that.
Hi, my name is Paige Lou McQueen. I'm 14 years old and I am a rising freshman at Oakcrest High School in Mays Landing, New Jersey. I am in Troop 19034 in Atlantic City. I joined Girl Scouts because it is a safe environment for girls to explore different possibilities, and you're surrounded with troop leaders who are there to encourage and help you along the way. I'm here today because I'm here to work on 4 benches that represent different awarenesses, and that is mental health awareness, autism awareness, breast cancer awareness, and domestic violence awareness. My reason that I have chosen breast cancer awareness is because my mom is a breast cancer survivor and she has been for the past 13 years. Having the benches there are supposed to show people in the community that they're not alone and that there are people that have been in similar situations as them. And even if some people cannot relate to some of the benches that we have put out in the community, at least they can say, oh wow, this is a good thing that people have done in our community.
Hi, my name is Kenny Brown, and I'm a freshman in high school. I'm a part of the Girl Scouts Troop 19034 in Lansing, New Jersey. I'm building awareness benches for our Silver Award, and we're on the 3rd bench. We're making these benches for our Silver Award to go towards our Gold Award, but the reason why we picked awareness benches is because we thought it would bring more light to those awarenesses, like breast cancer awareness, autism awareness, also domestic violence awareness, and mental health awareness. My bench will be dedicated to autism awareness because in my family I have a lot of relatives that deal with autism. For example, my little sister and my older cousin Tariq. I feel like people with autism, they need help, but I think they probably just need somebody to be around and just for assistance, just to have another helping hand. I'm excited because I feel like these benches will bring light to our troop, and I like how it incorporates all of us because it's all stuff that we go through with these awarenesses, and I guess I'm excited about where these go when we finish. I'm very pleased about how we work together, especially that we all 3, this is our main goal right now for our troop, and it's just been really fun overall. The motivation was just because I like the aspect of helping, and I feel like being a part of Girl Scouts would be bringing a big light of helping our community, especially for like Atlantic City.